Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. You guys looking for a quick way to get internet without broadband? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link TL-MR100 router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link TL-MR100 is a 4G LTE Wi-Fi router that lets you share mobile internet using a SIM card without needing a broadband connection. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the router box. Inside the TP-Link TL-MR100 wireless router box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, a quick installation guide, and sometimes an Ethernet cable for wired connections. These essentials help you set up your 4G Wi-Fi network quickly and easily. Now turn off the TP-Link TL-MR100 wireless router. Insert the nano SIM card into the SIM slot, gold contacts facing down. Make sure the SIM is unlocked, no pin. Connect the power adapter. Turn on the router. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the 4G signal LED becomes solid. Connect to the router. You can connect in two ways. Option A, find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, on the router label. Enter the Wi-Fi password printed on the router. And option B is LAN cable. Connect your PC/laptop to the router using an Ethernet cable. Open a browser on the connected device, Chrome, Firefox, etc. In the address bar, enter http://tplinkmodem.net or http://192.168.1.1. You'll reach the login screen. Enter username as admin or password is also admin, or printed on the router label. You may be asked to change the admin password during the first setup. Do this and remember the new one. After login, in the quick setup wizard, select your local time zone and click Next. The router automatically detects your mobile carrier and APN settings. If automatic detection fails, choose Manual and Input, APN, get from SIM provider, username/password, usually blank, unless required. Now set your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, create a secure password, at least 8 characters, choose WPA2 or WPA3 encryption if available. Click Next. Confirm your settings. Click Finish to apply. The router will reboot to finalize the setup. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.